Hey guys, thanks for waiting. I just got home. This is for the ASM4. First silk, first print. Alright, we've got a local time right here at 2 o'clock. We're going to go over to the 2 o'clock there and our giveaway bar where it shows 2 o'clock. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to roll these dice. Actually, I'm going to go back over here and we're going to go ahead and go live. We are live. Again, 2, 2, and 201, just like it flipped. So we've gone live. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do a 3 dice roll. Bang. Wow. It's a big one. 15. First round. 15 rounds, guys. I'll probably be tossing up the Ramos variant here next. Maybe a Ramos and a first print together. Cheap spots again. Alright, final round goes to spot 1, Art De La Garza. Spot 1, Art De La Garza. It's gone 15 times. There's our verification code. Here it shows again, Art. Congratulations. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to show you the time of 2:02 here, 2:02 here, and our screen 2:02 here. Come back over to, we're going to go ahead and go done. Congratulations, Art. Send me a PM. Thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks.